Dinner. Lumi. Ayan. Ayan. Dinner is done. Lumi. Kain tayo. Kayo, anong ulam nyo? Ayan. Pansit Lumi. One of our favorite dinner. Pansit Lumi. Kain tayo, my friends.
Tamaan din ako ng truck doon. Tapos si Secretary Mateo Fernando Shelley, Philippine Army, sir. That's my mission, that's my goal, and that's why I'm here.